बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू द लर्निंग हब। मैं हूं मोहम्मद तुफैल और आप देख रहे हो मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग हब। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है जनरल साइंस 20 रिपीटेड MCQs ऑफ APSC, PPSC, NTS एंड ATS। चलो वीडियो का स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द स्टडी ऑफ फ्लावर इज नोन एज फेरेनोलॉजी, एंथोलॉजी, एग्रोस्टोलॉजी, पेलानोलॉजी। The right option is option B, anthology. Study of flower is known as anthology. Next question हमारे पास है the pH value of human blood is 6.6, 7.2, 7.4, 8.0. The right option is option C, 7.4. Next question है hemoglobin is a protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins. The right option is option A. Hemoglobin is a protein. Next है हमारे पास the vitamin that is most rapidly manufactured in our body is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The right option is option D, vitamin D. Next हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है the system international unit of pressure is Pascal, Joule, Tesla, none of these. The right option is option A, Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Next है the most dense substance on the earth is platinum, copper, osmium, none of these. The right option is option C. The most dense substance on the earth is osmium. Next question है a camera uses dash to form an image. Convex lens, concave lens, condenser lens, none of these. The right answer is option A, convex lens. A camera uses convex lens to form an image. Next question is which from the following is not a conductor? Aluminum, silicon, both A and B, none of these. The right option is option C, both are not a conductor. Next CNG stands for converted natural gas, condensed natural gas, compressed natural gas, none of these. The right option is option C. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Next question है the human blood is divided into 4 groups, 3 groups, 2 groups, 5 groups. The right option is option A, 4 groups. Human blood is divided into 4 groups. Next है person with which blood type are known as universal donor? Type A, type B, type AB, type O. The right option is option D. Next हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है a man can survive without food for at least 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. The right option is option A, 1 month. A man can survive without food for at least 1 month. Which type of blood of individuals are universal recipient? हमारे पास ऑप्शन है टाइप ए, टाइप ए बी, टाइप बी, टाइप ओ। राइट ऑप्शन हमारे पास ऑप्शन बी है, टाइप ए बी। व्हाट डज मेक द ब्लड लुक रेड? हमारे पास ऑप्शन है रेड सेल्स, होमोग्लोबिन, प्लाज्मा, नन ऑफ दीज। द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, होमोग्लोबिन मेक्स द ब्लड लुक रेड। नेक्स्ट है convex lenses are used for the correction of astigmatism, short-sightedness, long-sightedness, none of these. The right option is option C, long-sightedness. Convex lenses are used for the correction of long-sightedness. Penicillin, an antibiotic, is obtained from fungus, flowering plant, virus, bacterium. The right option is option A, fungus. Penicillin obtained from fungus. Anemia is because of deficiency of options A, iron, folic acid, zinc, protein. The right option is option A. Anemia is because of deficiency of iron. Next, A, deficiency of sodium and potassium causes headache, diarrhea, muscular cramps, all of these. The right option is option D, all of these. Next, trachoma is a disease of the brain, lungs, ear, eye. The right option is option D. Trachoma is a disease of eye. Next, permanent magnets can be made from cobalt, aluminum, zinc, lead. The right option is option A, cobalt. Permanent magnets can be made from cobalt. वीडियो देखने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. प्लीज़ शेयर वीडियो विद योर